Hey guys, Jacob and Matthew Rocker here. Today, we're going to be touring Matthew Rocker's world.
Hey, we're not touring, we're building too.
Yeah, we're building as well. Okay, so this is the house that he built.
I want to go cook some food.
I guess so. There's some beds. Just a simple little bedroom.
Can you go sleep? Try.
It's nighttime on mine. But it is nighttime, whatever. Then there's a big sofa with a flat screen TV. Look at me. Just sitting there watching.
You want to go order something on our computer? Need nachos. You're all good.
Okay, there's some ovens or furnaces, whatever. There's a fridge.
I'll leave the last part, the best part for last.
Okay. Then there's some cabinets, I guess.
Come on, let's go. Let's go order.
There's a
the
chest.
computer.
And there's the computers with...
It's not a tour though, right?
It's a tour / building video. Okay. So these are the computers.
Come on, let's
So
go.
we can pretend to order stuff, then we build them.
Okay, this is the best part of all. I don't think they'd like it.
Well, I don't know. It's the brewing room. You might want to get rid of that little clump right up there. Maybe. Because I don't know if you're going to need that. I have all the pieces.
Oh, we don't want about the chandelier.
I know we're not. Okay. So this is the brewing room. It's got a chandelier, lots of brewing stands, some bookshelves. We're gonna fix it afterward.
You wanna? Let's go build more of the mansion.
Yep, and
you wanna go to another part I
there's
built?
some more parts. There's a motorcycle right there. I guess it's his. And there's my motorcycle.
Well, come up here. It's our base.
And this is like an archery thing.
You can't cheat. Come on, just go on the ground and go. And climb.
Okay. And Matthew Rocker, we were going the wrong way. We're on he's on his iPod. Hold on a second, guys.
What?
Sorry about that, guys. So this is, I guess, an archer tower thing.
I'm back over here, you know.
Okay.
There's no way to get up. Wait, there's a cool way. Like this. No, don't fly.
That's not a way to get up. So this is Matthew Rocker's tree fort. Well, he's on his iPod right now. I don't know if it's quite finished yet. Then here's a different part.
This is gonna be a room.
And we are starting a mansion.
No, I'm not ready yet.
After.
Okay.
And there are trees under there that will soon grow.
Okay, let's go to the mansion.
Yep. So this is the start of a huge mansion. It's gonna be really tall.
Hey, where are you? Oh, come on. Happy birthday. Come in, Nick. Come in.
Why?
I'll show you something. Come in. Come in.
I'm making something.
Quick before it gets out. Merry Christmas.
Oh boy. Best present ever.
I got some presents. This could be where our Christmas tree is.
Oh, let's just wait for Christmas.
That little hole right there.
Okay. You know what? This is our Christmas tree.
No.
Just put it back to where it was.
I like it. I'm gonna have a Christmas tree in the middle.
It's not December yet.
I know, but
Okay. So we should just start making the rooms.
okay. Yeah, it's too big. I need help breaking it.
Okay, and we could do that and that.
Is that better?
Yeah, for now.
What's that gonna be?
The entrance to the room. We're making multiple rooms, right?
Yep. I need a famous kitchen.
Okay, diamond.
I can do this part.
I'll do the bedroom.
Dang. I'm trying to make it as fancy as I can.
You don't have to make it fancy.
Okay.
So that's the kitchen for now.
That's the whole kitchen.
Okay. I like it.
I want to make that like a one of those double beds. How about that?
I mean that.
Like,
Oh. I know what you're talking about.
then you're gonna do like you did with the carpet. Ooh, like that. You have to put fences.
I know. Oh, right.
I'll do the bathroom.
Yeah, whatever.
Stop it.
Okay, that would be the bedroom. Now it needs a few more things.
I made it. Look at. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, that's the bathroom.
Stop blocks. No blocks.
Okay, we'll go back to that later.
It doesn't look good.
It looks fine.
But how am I gonna get in? How am I gonna get in the bed?
What do you mean?
Yeah. How am I gonna get in the
You
bed?
go like that.
Did I just hear my voice in there? Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay, now that looks good.
The mansion needs an outdoor swimming pool. Which I will make.
Okay, now that looks good.
The hot tub. Look at.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to end this one right here. I'm gonna make a part 2. Bye, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.